Evening, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in the additional, not in today's newspaper on Monday, June the 5th, 2023. No, it's the edition of Saturday, the weekend edition, Saturday, June the 3rd, 2023. I've already solved one puzzle, the letter Sudoku. So two puzzles remain: the tectonic with 1 star, and the Sudoku with 0 stars. 0 stars. Alright, and this will be number 6545. 6545. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 29 printed digits. Yes, definitely a 0 stars. Alright, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, Sudokus in the additional must be easier than the 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, maybe this one 40 minutes or 30 minutes, we'll see. So let's get started. Alright, so we have let me see which number can I pick. A 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so the row between. In the row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there, 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between, middle column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in the middle column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 5 in this big square. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in this box. Here 5 in this column, no 5 in that box. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then let me see. 8, 1, 4. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 4, 8, 1, 4, 8, 1, 4, 8, 1, 4, 8. Then look with 1 and a 4 in this column. So no 1 and a 4 in this box. 1 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Then let me see. 2, 3, 3, the 8, the 9, 9, 6, 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, second column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. Alright. Then let me see. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Yeah. 3. Come on. Need a 4, 4, 4, 4. Need a 4 here. Yeah. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1. Well, the 1 and the 9. I'm missing here. 1 and the 9. Oh no, 1 and the 6. 1 and the 6. Well, we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 6, 6. 1. Come on, 3 and a 6. Having a delay. 4. Need a 2 here. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 here. 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here, 2 in this row, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the third column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the second row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, 2, okay. And now, let me think. Let me think. 4, 4, 4. Need the 7. Need 8. 8, 8, 8. 2, 5. 2, 5. 2, 5. Come on. This is taking too long. 9. We have a 9 here. 9. Come on. 1 and a 6. 1, 3, 2. 1, 3, 2. 1, 3, 2. 1, 3. 2, 1, 3, 2. 8. Well, let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. No. Overlook this 9. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in that row, so the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the first column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9, okay, 9. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. Here 6 in this row, no 6 there. Only place left for the 6 should be there, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. 1 box left in this row for the number 1. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1. 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes. And with the 2, we have a 2 in the last column, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 2. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. Oh, wait. Wait. Need to wait. 1, 8. 184. Need to wait. 1 1 1 1 1 1. Come on, 7. 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these 3 boxes here. 7 in this column, no 7 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 7. Okay, so here we have a pair, the 1 and the 4. Well, cannot fill this yet. Ay. Need a 6 here. 3 3 3 3. Yes, 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 9 the 9 here. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the third column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. 4 4 4 4 4. Okay, and now need a 7 here, need a 3 here, and need a 6 here, and I need a 1 here. All right. 3 6 9 9 9 9 9. 7. Come on. 5 2 3 3. Need a 3 and a 6. Okay. 1 and a 4. 2 4 5. Come on. 6 8 and a 1. Ay. 1 4 8 8 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 4 8 1 4 8 1 4 8 1 4 8. And look, we have a 4 and 8 in this column, second column. So no 1 and a 4 in this box. 4 and 8. No 4 and 8 in this box. 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1 then. Okay, so here we have also 4 and 8. So we have 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next to the last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the 4, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 4 goes there. 4 and 8, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 6 and 8, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next to the last column. Only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, the 3 and 6. We have a 6 in the second row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, The only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in this second row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row. Third row. 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in the second row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Wow. For 0 stars, you need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, let me give this a 1 star. But we solved again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the tectonic with a 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.